Correct TV.
Look who's talking. Does your roommate know about your shenanigans the other time?
I'm taking you to my house until he decides to come back to his senses.
Are you telling me you don't know why you're here in this room?
No, provide translation services to a client.
Listen, the people who come with spiritual issues, you teach them how to pray.
And if I get a good man, I don't mind sharing all that I have.
My client is out there without your service.
How much money does she want?
Surely you can't let him walk away.
Is he smiling at us? Yes, sister, smile back.
When was the last time you saw Danger?
That's idea. Danger is out.
God has been so good to me. I have found someone.
Eshan, what are you talking about? This is about all the women out there who are at the mercy of men like that.
How much are you willing to pay me to keep quiet?
You see, that is why I am the head and you are the leg.
Well, Danger is gone for lectures. Correct TV.
Now we own.